Los Angeles, California. It's July 23rd, and we're going to be trying to duplicate the White Star hamburgers of Plainfield, New Jersey. So this is July 23rd, 2020, and I visited Plainfield recently. I wasn't able to see my mom, but I did get to the nursing home. But because of COVID, I wasn't able to get into the nursing home. But anyway, I'll have to be going back out there again to visit her. But in the meantime, me and my brother, we did stop at White Star on Front Street. And of course, my memory, I'm older now, I don't remember a lot of things, or I don't remember some things, but I didn't remember the burgers being exactly the way they fix them now. So I said, I'm going to try to duplicate from memory exactly how the burgers were. So here we go, we're going to give it a try. Everybody remembers these balls. So that's how we start. We get the balls in the pan. And then smash them down. Cook these up a little bit. We're going to turn them over. Okay, that's the meat here, and we're going to use some buns, and we got some cheese. We got some pickles, we got some fried onions, and we're going to give it a little salt and pepper right now. Growing up, I remember a lot of pepper, so let's see if this is going to work. Now what I'm going to do is, you're not going to see me eat these, but I'm actually preparing them with two different types of cheese, because I don't remember the cheese. I remember eating the cheese, but I don't remember what kind it was. So I have American yellow cheese, and I have cheddar, sharp cheddar. So I'm going to use sharp cheddar and American yellow just to see how the taste comes out. Okay, let's see if these are ready to turn. Let them go a little bit longer. And we try to make them small like they do at White Star. So let those go a little bit longer, and then we'll turn them. I know if I could remember as a kid how the hamburgers looked on the grill, but I don't remember exactly. And these are going to be fried onions. I remember fried onions, but these are called sweet onions. You can get these in the grocery store. So we're going to be using these. These are sweet onions. I fried them up. I remember the fried onions on the burgers. When I went out to Plainfield just last week, I don't remember them putting the onion. I had to actually request they put the onions on. So of course everybody's cooking more healthy these days, so I had to request the onions, and I think they only put one pickle. So we're going to fix that pickle today. And there's the pickles we chopped up. Okay, it's about time to turn these burgers. Pretty sure. This is a nice non-stick pan. Okay, here we go. We're going to turn this burger nice and brown. Turn this burger. This burger. And we're going to flatten them down again. go. If my memory serves me correctly, I put the onions on. No, I wait a little bit on the onions because I still see a little bit of meat here. Kind of press that down a little bit more. You guys who are vegetarians, I'm very sorry for you. But of course, vegetarian is more healthy. Okay, so get that nice and done in there. I think we're getting close. A little bit more, get it nice and brown. This, of course, is not the same thing as cooking on a grill, but it's pretty close. I'm going to get it nice and brown. This will continue cooking after this. So we're going to... Now, everybody remembers this part. Put the onions on. Everybody remembers that. Probably too many onions, that's okay. Now we're going to put the buns on. Everybody remembers this part, right? Put the buns on to get the buns nice and warm and soft. These are organic buns from Whole Foods. Whole Foods now connected to Amazon. Amazon now connected to 5G. 5G now taking over the world. Okay, sorry about that. Alright, we did that part. We got the onions. And now we're about to flip them onto the plates. So we got the two different types of cheese here. We got our ketchup. So let's see how they did it. That White Star, as I remember. So here we go. Flip it up like this. You're going to have to hold on to the bun. You just flip it like this onto the plate. And you turn it over like that. And once you turn it over, I'm going to flip on some pickles. A couple pickles. That's enough pickles. Let's turn this heat off over here, but this is too. Okay, now we're going to make this one with cheese. So we're going to put the cheese on top of that. Oh, we got to get ketchup. There we go. Nice ketchup. There we go. That's number one. Alright, let's try number two. Underneath the bun. Nice and warm. Flip it over. And we get the, we're going to try this other cheese on this one. And then we go with the ketchup. And run right on it. There we go. Now we just got two more to go. Those pickles out of there. Here we go. The other two. This is really what does it. The fried onions. Okay, there we go. Get the cheese. Where's the cheese? Oh, here's the cheese. Put the ketchup. Did we put the pickles? Did we put pickles? Didn't get the pickles, did we? Got one pickles. More pickles. Alright, pickles there. And pickles. Pickles here. Here we go. And one last one. Uh-oh. Dropping this one all over. Nice, lots of fried onions. There we go. Now we gotta have the pickles, cheese, and pickles. Okay, cheese. I don't remember the exact order. Uh-oh, dropping the pickles. Okay, some more. Yes. And there we go with the ketchup. Lots of ketchup. And that's it. That's our rendition of the White Star cheeseburgers, hamburgers from Plainfield, New Jersey, as I remember. Lots of onions and lots of pickles. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoy, because I'm going to eat these right now. Bye-bye.